Koreka na isko yorogongo rwa Gusii twirerero muraibwese Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigabaga kuraria bene kwa isko kwaba waziri ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza ayango bwatikana namagani ali abirega kurewa n'abananchi abuna egati waziri tibariko ikirania obokoreri wabo asenchera ebwenerete okwana chinga kya bwatukengwana ya senyomba y'obura state house mu Nairobi Ruto bayigona bakago kwanera egati ya magendro nabayigo bitambukire serikali ya Kenya kwanza yabereke waka kurwa chinga kiba swete abisina watanamba chikogendera kubwatirana na kwene kiabuna abarayi barabe bagochorwa sichi wizara mbaji kubwatirana na kubeko mukia soko ene kia amagendro na baigo ense ya Kenya yabeire kegoskabusyo roboti orwa sowe kiranu twargale numuriketo Cosmas Mariga
Umurai bwense omoske William Samuel Ruto ni goli tkulia lero abaka gukwana n'Abakenya ase enyumba y'oborayi ya State House Nairobi. Asebono umurai uyu anyara ko bakagwakira serikali ya Kenya kwanza koko ase aria yabeire kegokora.
We have stabilized the economy by preventing what was an imminent debt default. We have stabilized fuel prices, lowered inflation to an all-record low of 4.6%, and we have stabilized the foreign exchange regime. We have implemented radical changes in the education sector, including resolving the CBC question. We have rolled out a new student-focused higher education funding model that has special emphasis on making sure that children from vulnerable families have the requisite support in their education. We have also improved the student-teacher ratio in both our primary and secondary schools.
Komenta nayo nigo omurai bwense abaka isiku aba waziri be serikali nene na voigo mwatoni General Justin Muturi. Korende nigo abatiga ase obokoleri omwaziri omonene Musalia Mudavadi amono mokonyi bw'omurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua.
And after a holistic appraisal of the performance of my cabinet and its achievements and challenges, I have today, in line with the powers given to me by Article 1521 and 1525B of the Constitution and Sections 12 of the Office of the Attorney General's Act, decided to dismiss with immediate effect all the Cabinet Secretaries and Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya, of the Cabinet of Kenya, except the Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Affairs. And of course, the Office of the Deputy President is not affected in any way.
Bono ni Ruto ali eira yokubwatirana n'ekinsemo kyonsi eryoko bachora abawaziri barakonye goikerenya chira chiaye ase Abakenya.
I will immediately engage in extensive consultations across different sectors and political formations and other Kenyans, both in public and private, with the aim of setting up a broad-based government that will assist me in accelerating and expediting the necessary, urgent, and irreversible implementation of the program that we have, including other radical measures and programs.
Kulipoteri Gitasini Ndizi TV, Amalithane Mariga, Cosmas.